Hello and welcome back to Classopedia. We are back again with one more Excel formula, that is VLOOKUP. This is the basic video for VLOOKUP. Let us see what VLOOKUP exactly means. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. You also have HLOOKUP, that is horizontal lookup. It is a function that will search for a certain value in a column in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. For example, if I add Ravi Kumar, I need the value to come as Mumbai. If I add John Smith over here, I need the value to come as Kolkata. Let us look at the formula for this particular VLOOKUP. It is very simple. You need to have the lookup value, the table array, the column number, and the range lookup, that is whether it's exact or you need approximate. So let us look into the formula. I will add VLOOKUP over here because I want the branch of John Smith, that is Calcutta. So what I require is my lookup value is the first column, that is John Smith, that is A11, and what I need is, now I need the table array. I will choose the table array from Ravi Kumar to accounts of Dilip Kohli, that is C7, A3 to C7, and after this I need the column number. So I need the Mumbai division, that is the branch. So name is the first column, branch is the second column, division is the third column. So I require column number 2. And what do I need? Do I need the approximate match or the exact match? True or false? I require it as exact match. So true is 1, false is exact match. So I will make it as 0, and 0 is nothing but exact match, and there you go. I've got Kolkata. So it is very simple. Again, you saw that first I added the lookup value, that is where I want the value from, John Smith. Then I took the table array, that is from A3 to C7. Then it was the column number, and then 0 is for exact match. So if I change the name over here from John Smith to Dilip Kohli, you see the branch changes to Nagpur. So that is a simple formula. We'll come back with more videos on VLOOKUP and many other interesting formulas. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe my channel to see more videos. I will see you again next time in a next exciting video. Thank you.